Hey guys, I found a new code in RBX Ernie. We need to go in. We need to wait. I will go back so we can get our code and RBX Ernie. So here I will see it. You will see it. Go to redeem code and press. This is the yes.